back to the channel. So today we are unboxing a Hot Wheels Case E. This is actually a US case, and I did do a previous video where it was an international case. So this one is a US one. It's actually in great condition compared to the other one. So hopefully all the cars in this one are nice and safe. Let's go ahead, carefully lay it on its side, and go ahead, cut it open, and get into this unboxing. I do have a merch store, shopemptyparadise.com, and I do have a lot of Hot Wheels on there, and hopefully I'll have a lot of these ones on there soon, so definitely go check out. There's going to be a link in the description down below, shopemptyparadise.com, and I have a ton of Hot Wheels on there from all kinds of different previous cases and whatnot, but let's go ahead and get started with this unboxing right up on top. Okay, and starting off, we have the Power Rocket, the Futurismo, and the 23 Ram 1500. Alright, we have a Dune It Up kit from Knight Rider with cool flames on it, and then the 76 Chevy Chevette. Ooh, okay. We got the Cruise Bruiser in pink, 70 Plymouth Superbird, and the 99 Ford F150 SVT Lightning, which looks pretty cool. Alright. Oh, this one's cool. It's like a new recolor on the TV series Batmobile. We have a Hako Type D, which is like a JDM style car, new for 2025. And then we have stock car. Alrighty, let's see what's next. Oh, that's kind of cool. We have the Later Crater, the Cadillac Project GTP Hypercar, and we have the Mazda AutoZam in a cool new color. It's kind of like a military theme. That looks really cool. We have seen that in quite a few other colors, but I think that might be my favorite so far. Oh, I got some awesome cars in this pull. 2015 Mazda MX-5 Miata, which looks really good in that red. The Porsche 904 Carrera GTS. Got a cool new re-theme on that one as well. Man, I actually really like that one. I might open one of these if I get a damaged one. And then we have the Slide Burn. Ooh, okay. We got the 71 Lamborghini Miura SV, the Dune It Up, and the Range Rover Velar, however you say it. And it's finished in like a really cool gold color too. Kind of like that. Alright, kind of knocks them down. Got the Toyota GR86 Cup, the Gordon Murray Automotive T.33, and the Chevy Blazer 4x4. Alright, let's see here. Alrighty, well, that's kind of cool. Got the RD06, the Max Steel, and another Porsche 904 Carrera GTS. Alright, we got a Slide Kick, a 70 Plymouth Superbird, and a Skull Shaker. It's kind of cool seeing that get kind of like a return in this new, kind of like this new modern era. So I feel like it's been a while, maybe early last year. oh, wow, okay. All right, I did not expect that. All right, so we got the 2020 Koenigsegg Jesko in yellow, another kit from Knight Rider, and we got the Rig Storm. If you guys aren't sure why that's significant, that is the treasure hunt for this case. That thing looks really cool. And right underneath the green window is the treasure hunt logo. I don't know if you can really see that. And I'm now looking at the back, and this does have quite a bit of damage. I don't know if you can really see it. There's like big creases all over the back of this. Also, if you look behind the car, you can see the treasure hunt logo in silver there, which looks kind of cool seeing that. Man, that is... I was really excited for this, and now I see it's damaged, and it kind of, I don't know, it's still pretty cool. Like, who knows, maybe one day I'll maybe open this, because I don't really want to throw it on my merch store with, like, damage, or at least, like, the creases and whatnot. But I still think it's pretty cool being able to see that, because I think that looks really cool. I do like how it's kind of like a clear purple. So, I don't know. I still like it. Let me know what you guys think about that. Let me actually just set that aside. And then we got 3 more cars for this half of the case. And they're kind of stuck in here. So I'm not sure what is going on. Alright. So we have the 67 Ford Mustang Coupe, Tesla Model S Plaid, and the mid-mill. Alright, let's go ahead and pull out that divider and get started on the bottom half of the case, right up on top. Alright, we got another stock car, Chevy Super Volt, and a Cruise Bruiser. Alright, we got a 1975 Datsun Sunny truck, which looks really cool. Silverado EV RST, another 71 Lamborghini Miura SV. Oh, and we did not get the Super Treasure Hunt. Dang. So we did get a 2015 Mazda MX-5 Miata, but the Super would have been the Aston Martin DB4 GT High-Speed Edition, and that is just the regular version. So that's too bad. Still looks really cool though. But we also have a 23 Ram 1500. We're still going to obviously go through the rest of the case and see what else we have in here, because I do know there's some cool cars that came out. Oh, okay, we got one of them in this pull. There's a long block, 74 Brazilian Dodge Charger, but the Tesla Cyber Quad. I think that one's pretty cool. I know a lot of people were excited about that. Also new for 2025. Oh, missed one here. There we go. So we got the Flippin' Fast, which is actually a fidget spinner car. And then there's like 2 tops to it, which is kind of cool. Got the Toyota GR86 Cup and the Chevy Blazer 4x4. Now we got another Chevy Silverado EV RST, 57 Chevy Impala, and a Sushi Tuner. Oh, okay, we got some cool cars here. Got a 21 Ford Bronco, a TV series Batmobile, and we got the Formula One car, and this one's actually the Williams Racing. Finished in a really nice dark blue, even has the Golf logos on there. Also, Formula One, new for 2025. This thing is pretty awesome. This is kind of cool seeing these new Formula One cars come out, and I know there's going to be a bunch of them. They're coming out in a bunch of different formats as well. Like, there's a bunch of even like collector versions that are coming out, so that one's pretty cool. Alright, we got a Slide Burn, Ain't Fair, and another Sushi Tuner. Alright, we got a Roadster, Brazilian Dodge Charger, and a Ford Escort. The thing actually looks pretty awesome. Alright, we got a Cadillac Project GTP Hypercar, 2018 Honda Civic Type R, which looks really cool, also part of the Now and Then. And then the 91 GMC Cyclone in a cool new color. Alright, got a few more to go. So we got here, we got another Ford Lightning, Ford SVT Lightning, another Gordon Murray Automotive, and a Drift Ender. And the last 3 cars for this case, see what we got. We got another Ain't Fair, long block, and a 1975 Datsun Sunny truck. Man, I really wish we could have got the Super in this case, but obviously it's not always going to happen. It is cool when it does randomly happen, because I have had it in quite a few videos where we just get lucky and we pull it. We did get the regular treasure hunt, which looks really cool, so let me know what you guys think of that down in the comments down below. Also, like I said, check out my merch store shop, emptyparadise.com. I have a bunch of Hot Wheels on there, a bunch of mainlines, premiums, some RLC cars, some other collector cars, and some other automotive merchandise as well. But if you guys did like the video, go down and hit that like button, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Bunch of other unboxing videos to come. But like, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.